In this video, we have been given that A, B, C, D and P, N, Q, B are a square and AM is 5, AD is 15. Then we have to find area of PNQB. So ABCD, it is a square. That means AB, it will be equal to BC, it will be equal to CD, it will be equal to AD, and AD is 15. So BC, it will be 15, and we have AB is 15, and AB, it is AM plus BM, it is 15, and AM is 5 plus BM, it is 15. So BM, it will be 15 minus 5, that will be 10. So BM, it is 10. And now PNQB, it is a square. That means Pn, it will be equal to NQ, it will be equal to QB, it will be equal to BP. Suppose X, Pn is X, NQ is X, QB is X, and BP is X. And also these angles, they will be 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be also 90 degrees. And now in triangle MBC and triangle NQC, we have angle MBC is equal to angle NQC, that is 90 degrees, and angle MCB, it is equal to angle NCQ, that is common. So triangle MBC, it will be similar to triangle NQC. Hence MB over NQ, it will be equal to BC over QC, and now MB, it is 10 over NQ is X, it is equal to BC is 15 over, and QC, it will be 15 minus X, QC is 15 minus X, and if we cross multiply, then 10 times 15 minus x, it will be equal to 15 times x, and it is 150 minus 10x is equal to 15x, and 150 it is 15x plus 10x, and 150 it is 25x. So x, it will be 150 over 25, that will be 6, and now we have x is 6, and now area of PNQB, it will be x square, and x is 6 square, that will be 36, and the second way, we know that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, that is 15. So BM, it will be 15 minus 5, that will be 10, and BC is 15. And now in any right angle triangle ABC, if AB is A, BC is B, and if PQSB is a square of side x, if PQSB is a square, then x, it will be a times b over a plus b, and here we know that PNQB is a square, and suppose Pn is equal to NQ is equal to QB is equal to BP is equal to x. Pn is x, NQ is x, then in triangle MBC, x, it will be 10 times 15 over 10 plus 15, and x, it is 10 times 15 over 25, and 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 3 is 15, and 5 times 2 is 10. So it is 2 times 3, that will be 6. So this area, it will be x square, that will be 6 square, and it is 36. So it is 36.